Let's see, number 6. 2% gained weight. So P would be 2%, little p that is. 552 patients selected, so N is 552. Use a normal approximation of the binomial. B, 8 or fewer will gain weight. 8 or fewer. So we got x is equal to 8, and we either add 0.5 or subtract 0.5. 8 or fewer, so we're going to add 0.5. And then we shade that way. Now the general idea on it is if your wording includes a number, then your shading should include a number. See how it says 8 or fewer? So that includes 8. So our shading has to include 8. If I had subtracted 0.5, then it would have been 7.5, and shade to the left, it wouldn't have included that. Well, we'll do our normal CDF. I won't actually plug these in. And then our low value is clear over here, which is negative infinity, so negative E99. And then your high value, which is 8.5. And then N times P, so I got 552 times 0.02. Comma, square root of N, which is 552, times P, which is 0.02, times 1 minus P, which is that. And then you plug that in your calculator, it'll give you your answer. C, 11 or more patients will gain weight. 11 or more. That includes 11, doesn't it? So, and it's more, so it's shade to the right, so I want to subtract 0.5. Again, the general idea on this is if your wording includes the number, then your shading has to. 11 or more will gain weight. Well, the includes 11, so our shading has to include 11. So then this will be normal CDF. Then our low value, which is 10.5, comma our high value, which clear over here is positive infinity, or E99. N, which is 552 times 0.02, then square root of 552 times 0.02 times 1 minus 0.02. Same as up here. And number 9. It says 0.82 satisfied with life. So they're telling you little p is 0.82. Random sample of 100 Americans, so N is equal to 100. And then B. B says probably that at least 82 Americans are satisfied. 82. So at least 82 includes 82, which means I'll subtract 0.5. Again, at least means you shade to the right. If our wording includes 82, our shading has to include 82. So then we'll have normal CDF, our low value, which is 81.5, comma our high value, which is E9, comma N times P, so we got 100 times 0.82, comma square root of N, 100 times P, which is 0.82, times 1 minus P. 1 minus 0.82. And that'll give us our answer. Now C says the probability is 79 or fewer are satisfied. 79 or fewer. That means I shade to the left. 79 or fewer means it includes 79. So I want to add 0.5. I'm shading to the left because it's fewer. Again, if our wording includes 79, our shading has to include 79. That's your whole driver on whether to add or subtract. Well, our low value is clear over here, which is negative E99, negative infinity, comma our high value, which is 79.5, and then 100.82, comma square root of 100.82 times 1 minus 0.82. And that'll give you your answer. Now, if your question was how to plug those in your calculator, then let me know, but I assume it's the setup that you're having trouble with.